Meigire hituku mucirithania Justice Lucy Njuguna niareganire na ihoya ria uria wari ngabana wa Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu ria kwenda arekererio na mbundi akiuga itumi cia ugima wa mweri wake itikinyitie ikiro cia kumwitikiria arekererio na ho maabitha ruhonge-ini ruru mari na ceceni cia urigitani cia kung'ethanira na mathina o mothe ma ugima wa mwiri. No muthi thutha wa Waititu gwikia ihoya ringi, mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi niareganite na ihoya riri. Kuringana na mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi, kuhingia ihoya ria Waititu gugukorwo gukiagarara mawatho ma igoti, kuona igoti ni riarikirie gukinyaniria itua ria kioho giake.
We filed our response yesterday.
The grounds of opposition.
The grounds of opposition. So we have our PO on the 18th and the grounds on the same day.
You have a PO for the application dated 18th of March?
We do. Not for the 18th, for the 14th.
Yes, for the 14th.
For 14th.
So for the application dated 18th of March, the only response you have are the grounds of opposition.
At the grounds, yes, my lady.
Hau kabere mucirithania uyu nierika gwatha aria marari mawakiri ake Danstan Omari, Sam Nyamberi na Shadrack Wabui mahanyukie cira uria ubataire gucokio riko uria kuringana nake ungiratwithanirio kwa ihinda ria mieri iri. Riu agiatha mawakiri ake matongoretio ni Kalonzo Musyoka na Eugene Wamalwa matengimania riboti ya kung'ethanira na itua ria mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
As long as you file your submissions on time, maybe we can have a mention to confirm parties have filed, so that I give a date. Yes, just to be sure. Because the problem I get is that when I give a date for ruling, parties don't file submissions on time. When I've done my ruling a day before, that is the time a party is filing submissions.
The two applications cannot be heard together. The two applications one will have to be done first. That's the application of 18th of March, 2025, which is seeking amendment of the petition of appeal.
Petition of appeal, and a ruling has been slated for the 23rd of April.
Igoti rigatwithania kana Waititu no atengimania riandikithia ria kurekererio na mbundi tariki 23 mweri wa kana. Waititu akundikirwo kioho kia miaka 12 kana arihe ciringi milioni 52.5 thutha wa kunyitikana na mahitia ciira-ini wa ungumania wa ciringi milioni 588.
Yes.
Senator Dan Man.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.